Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to prepare aloe vera juice. Look what I found here in an organic shop. A wonderful nice aloe vera leaf. And now we're going to prepare that. Its origin is from Spain and actually it says on the label only for cosmetic use. I don't know why it says that, because it's organic, it should be fine, everything. I hope it's not fertilized with feces, but I guess it says it should be only used for cosmetics because aloe vera contains aloin. Aloin is a substance which is mainly located directly under the skin between the jelly, the parenchyma, and the outer skin. So we definitely want to remove that. What is aloin good for or not good for? The aloe vera aloin is valued in pharmacological use due to its laxative effects. But in high doses, it can lead to too much laxative effects and also can cause gastrointestinal problems. It can also cause skin irritations and allergic reaction, especially for sensitive skin. So we don't want that in our preparations. Additionally, long-term use of the aloin can cause liver problems. But we can easily get rid of the aloin. So let's start with our preparation. At first, let's clean the leaf from the outside. I will clean it thoroughly with a soft brush. Afterwards, we will cut here the beginning of the leaf and water the leaf overnight and proceed with our preparation on the next day. The watering of the leaf will lead to an outflow of the aloin, but as our aloe vera gel that we want is kept in the parenchyma. Parenchyma is called this gel-like tissue in the plant, so we will not lose this one. Let's start. After our leaf is properly washed, we will cut off the lower part here. And here you can also see, here's our aloe vera jelly, the parenchyma tissue, and here this thin yellow layer, there is where the aloin is located, and this is what we will remove by watering. Look at this, you can also see this yellow drops here. That's the aloin containing juice. We will just place the aloe vera leaf into this bowl with cold water and leave it like this overnight. This is how our leaf looks after 24 hours of incubation. Overnight would have been also fine, but I had to do some other things, so I left it for 24 hours. Our water has become brownish yellow and we see that aloin has diffused out to an extent. Now let's start to peel the leaf. It is very stable and stiff and it is easy to cut off the skin with a sharp knife. Make sure to cut 2 to 3 millimeters below the skin because we don't want the aloin containing layer under the skin. Be careful because your hands will get a little flipsy after a while. Cut away damaged spots. Here the leaf has been damaged. Look how it looks when the plant has healed that. After peeling the leaf, wash it quickly in a bowl with ice cold water with a knife tip of vitamin C. Pour it through a sieve afterwards. Then we can homogenize the jelly parts with a tabletop mixer. Mix it well until all solid parts are homogenized or liquidified. And we can already move to our last step. Fill ice cube forms with our fresh gel. I also had these plastic ones in my drawer, and I bought them over 10 years ago when I was still studying, so let's finally give them a use and use them as well. So this was my tutorial how to prepare aloe vera gel at home from the leaf and getting rid of the aloin. And I have rinsed all the containers that I've used with a little bit of ice cold water and put them into this glass to not waste anything. And this I will later use for a hair mask because today is Sunday and this is my hair washing day. When the aloe vera ice cubes are frozen, you can then release them and put them into a tiny zipper pouch and then store them in the freezer. You can use these ice cubes as a base for a hair mask, for a face mask, for cream, soap, just pure to refresh and cool your skin. Later on there will be some following recipes using this base, and I hope you enjoyed that. Please comment below what you are using this gel for. If you get value from my content, please make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to not miss anything. I thank you for your time and see you next time.